Tahajjud, the secret that changes destinies. Tahajjud is a treasure that never leaves its seeker empty-handed. It is not an ordinary treasure that can be seen by the eyes or touched by the hands. It is a spiritual wealth that enters the heart, gives light to the soul, and changes the direction of a person's entire life. Its shine is far greater and more lasting than gold, silver, or royal crowns. No worldly light can compete with it, because this light removes the darkness of the heart, cleans the rust from the mind, and connects a person with their Lord. Tahajjud is a remedy that turns hopelessness into hope, weakness into strength, and broken courage into confidence. It takes a life without purpose and places it on the path of dignity, honor, and meaning. It is a form of worship that does not only bow the body in prostration, but also brings down pride, fear, doubt, and slavery to the world. Tahajjud is the moment when a person speaks to their Lord in solitude. This solitude does not make a person weak. Rather, it makes them strong. It is the time when the entire world is in deep sleep, markets are closed, voices are silent, lights are dim, and only one servant and their Lord remain. There is a special power in the silence of the night. It does not make noise, but it slowly awakens the sleeping soul inside the heart. These are the moments when the doors of the heavens are open, mercy is descending. Angels are coming down to the earth, and Allah calls out to His servants. Is there anyone who asks, so I may give? Is there anyone who seeks forgiveness, so I may forgive? Is there anyone in distress, so I may relieve them? At that time, the servant who leaves their bed, sacrifices their sleep, gives up comfort, performs ablution, and stands before Allah is actually responding to this divine call. Allah is close during the day as well. He is always with His servant and closer than their own life vein. But in the depths of the night, He shows His closeness in a special way. He hears the heartbeat of hearts. He recognizes silent sobs. He knows the tears that do not fall from the eyes but remain hidden inside the heart. The tears shed in Tahajjud are not ordinary tears. They turn into mercy, wash away sins, and lighten the heavy burdens of the heart. The effect of Tahajjud first touches the heart. A heart that becomes tired from the race of life, tangled relationships, worries of livelihood, fear of the future, pain of failures, and social pressure. In the darkness of the night, the quiet worship of Tahajjud becomes healing for that heart. The heart begins to cleanse itself, burdens grow lighter, whispers fade away, and a person learns to trust their Lord in a new, deep, and sincere way. This trust is called certainty, faith. And certainty is a wealth that cannot be bought in any market, found in books, or given by people. It is born in the prostrations of Tahajjud. When certainty is born, difficulties no longer remain difficulties. They become tests. Closed paths begin to open. Supplications are no longer just words. They move toward acceptance. One great miracle of Tahajjud is that it awakens the hidden strength inside a person. The courage that fails during the day, the patience that breaks under pressure, the determination that keeps shaking, all of it becomes firm through a single sincere prostration of Tahajjud. A person becomes strong from within, dignified on the outside, and radiant in the soul. There is a deep and unique quality in the prostrations of Tahajjud. They free a person from the pains of the past. Wounds that do not heal with time, memories that repeatedly bring tears, burdens that stop life from moving forward. The tears of Tahajjud wash them all away. These tears do not flow from the body. They flow from the soul. And when the soul becomes light, life begins to change. Another great miracle of Tahajjud is that it gives power to supplications. There is a clear difference between a prayer made during the day and a prayer made in the last part of the night. Daytime prayers are often words, but Tahajjud prayers are cries from the heart. They are need, humility, and helplessness, and humility is the key that opens even the closed doors of the heavens. No matter the difficulty, obstacle, pain, or helplessness, Tahajjud can change it. The supplication made in those moments of the night never returns empty. Either it is accepted, replaced with something better, or used to remove an upcoming hardship. Tahajjud also brings blessings into life. And blessings are not only in money. They appear in time, health, thinking, relationships, sustenance, and decisions. A person who prays Tahajjud does not make rushed decisions. Their insight opens, light enters their heart, and that light protects them from wrong paths. Despite having many comforts, modern humans lack peace. Everything is present, yet peace is missing. Tahajjud lights a lamp of peace in the heart that never goes out. The prostrations of the night bring calm even during the chaos of the day. Tahajjud does not leave a person alone. It builds such a strong connection with Allah that a person no longer fears people, bows before no one, and is not broken by criticism. Tahajjud creates a revolution in character. Anger decreases, the heart softens, the tongue becomes gentle, and behavior turns kind. A person who prays Tahajjud cannot remain hard-hearted. The prayer of Tahajjud makes a person beloved in the hearts of people, removes inner fears, and opens the doors of destiny. Because destiny does not change from the outside, it changes when the heart changes. A life that has stopped begins to move again through Tahajjud. A closed door opens. Dead dreams come back to life. A lost path in darkness finds light. Tahajjud is strength, peace, light, healing, and revolution. The one who prays Tahajjud walks on the earth, but help comes to them from the heavens. People see them as ordinary, but Allah makes them special. And this is the greatest, most amazing, and most beautiful miracle of the prayer of Tahajjud.